Now, let's take another example of drawing a project S-curve for cumulative cost. We are again presented with data, and in this data there is an additional column added which indicates cost per day. So we have activity, predecessor activity, durations, cost per day, and activity cost. As we know how to prepare the bar chart, I would pick the bar chart from the previous lesson. We will now indicate the cost of each activity for each day. So for activity A, we have 150. For activity B, we have 300 per day, giving us a total of 600. For activity C, we have 300 each day for 4 days, giving us 1,200. For activity D, we have a daily cost of 150 for 6 days, giving us 900. And lastly, we have activity E with a daily cost of 50 for 5 days, giving us 250 in total. I would also present the daily cost and the cumulative cost as we have learned in the previous lesson. The total cost is 3,100 based on the accumulation of all the activity costs. Now we have to draw the project S-curve. We have our chart and have the labels. On the vertical axis is the cumulative cost, and on the horizontal axis is the duration in days. For the first day, we have a cumulative cost of 150. So that is marked on the graph as seen. For the second day, we have a total cumulative cost of 450. So we proceed and mark 450 on the graph. For day 3, we have a total cost of 750, and that is also marked on the graph. For the fourth day, we have a cumulative cost of 1,200, which is also marked on the graph. On the fifth day, we would have expended 1,650, and that is also expended or shown on the graph. On day 6, we have 2,100, and this is also shown and marked on the graph. To day 7, we have 2,550, and that is also marked on the graph. For day 8, we have up to 2,750, and that is also marked on the graph. For day 9, we have 2,950, and that is also marked on the graph. For day 10, we have 3,000, and this is also marked on the graph. For day 11, we have a cumulative cost of 3,050, and that is also marked on the graph. And the total cumulative cost of 3,100 is what we have as our final mark on the graph. And as these marks are drawn, it forms a shape of an S. And this is how cash flows for projects should look like. The S curve.